guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, you guys can already see that we have a new hairstyle here. So we're going to do miracle knots today, but instead of doing the traditional um 1-1, I tried to do like a little bit of style to mine. The last one I did was like 1-1 for the entire hair, like mini braids. But today I decided to add a little bit of twist to mine, and this is the hairstyle we have going on in front, and then we have mini braids at the back. Let's go and unbox the star of this particular video. And shut down. So I'm using this crochet feather crochet extensions from ISEE Hair. The package is so cute. Let me even start by saying the package is so cute. And when you bring it out, you have this box, and I'm going to quickly open the box. When you open the box, this is what it looks like. It came with this wig bag, which is very, very nice. So because this is 100% human hair, once you're done, you can just wash it, wrap it back, and put it inside your wig bag so you can use it multiple times. So it came in tiny packs like this. They are about 5 in number, and this is what it's looking like. I got the 18 inches. So I got the Burmese coily. This is the hair texture. So I'm just going to quickly open one and show you what it looks like. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the pack. Now, I also went ahead to wash one bundle and brush it, so you guys can also see what it looks like when you brush it out. Now this one has been washed and conditioned. You can see how fluffy it looks. Like, look at how big this thing is. Now you can imagine doing like 5 packs of this. It is going to give you a very full head. I'm not even sure I'm going to use the entire 5 packs, but we'll see as we go. So if you like extremely full hair, 5 packs is going to give you that full look you're looking for. And yeah, this is 18 inches. You can get it longer, you can get it shorter, anyhow. So this is what the hair looks like with this headband. I think this is a melting band for your wig, for your lace wigs, and it has ISEE Hair on it. And then it came with this card, and it also came with a crochet hook, which I don't know where it fell into right now, but yeah, it came with this pack. And I'm so impressed with the packaging. Let's start from that one. I'm so impressed with this packaging. Honestly, it's one of the best packagings I've seen ever since I started receiving wigs. I have a lot of companies that I love their packaging, and I see here just joined that list. So first things first, you guys can see that I already braided my hair to the style that I want. Now I am going to go ahead and add my crochet to the length of my hair and also to the tip. I'm going to show you guys how I attach the crochet to my own hair and show you how you can do this without tangling your hair. I've gotten a lot of questions, and people have been making videos saying that the feather crochet is damaging their hair, and I honestly feel like the reason why it is probably doing that is because of the installation process. Because I've done this multiple times, and this is the third crochet hair I am doing this month, and honestly I have not even experienced anything like that, and I wonder why people are having issues like that. So I'm going to show you a simple step you can do to avoid tangling your hair and everything. So first things first, I want to hammer on the fact that I braided my hair to the end. So yeah, I braided my entire hair to the end. So let me say that now, because it will help you understand what I'm going to do next. This is what the thing looks like. I don't know if you guys can see the thread. And one thing I love about this particular crochet from ISEE Hair is the thread is not too long. Some of the brands that are producing this particular crochet, their thread is so long that when you even crochet the thing into your hair, you can literally see it dangling. But I like the fact that the crochet is not so long. You can see it is like it's short. Some are so long, and I feel like it's a new development here, but it's totally fine. So we're going to go ahead and start installing this. I'm going to start from the back, obviously, so we can gently work our way up front. Let's start with the back. This is my mini braids at the back. You guys, you can see that my hair um is quite long. So I normally see people with short hair doing this hairstyle, but nobody really talks about doing this on medium length hair. Let's say medium length hair. My hair is like medium length. And yeah, let me show you guys how I do this. I do not crochet my my crochet feathers to my hair, to the end of my hair. No, I don't do that. Take this, take my crochet, put it like this, and just start braiding. So this is going to be like the third um part of the braiding. I don't know how to explain it here, but you guys should just look at what I'm doing. So I'm going to braid down until I get to where this particular hair ends, where my own natural hair ends. So once I get to this part, I just leave it. It's not going to unravel because I gave it enough chance. I braided it down a little bit. This is the length of the hair I braided down. So my hair is already holding it intact. And that is it. So simple. I don't have to crochet anything. And when I want to take it down, I just take it down and just slide this one out. I'm going to make a video showing you guys how I take down this particular hair. Now it's time to crochet the other hair. So I'm using only 2 crochet for each of the braids. You can use 3. What you have to do is to count the number of braids you have on your hair, and then you can plan how many coils you want to put at each point of the braid. For me personally, I don't like my hair super full. I like it as scanty as possible. So I'm going to use just 1 here, not at the root, just 1 here close to the root. So when I put it, it will just cover up here. So I'm going to do the first crochet. So you just put it, take one of the pieces, put it here. When you pull it out, you remove the crochets. The 1 knot method. Instead of taking out 1, I am going to take the 2 of them and pull them over to the side. So this particular method makes it so easy to take this thing down, and you can see how easy it is. So I'm going to quickly do the back, and then when we get to the front, I'll come back to talk to you guys again, okay? Because I don't want to make this video super long. It's already like 10 minutes from what I am seeing right now. I don't want this video super long. I'm at the front now. So guys, right now, this is what I have left. I successfully attached 1 extra crochet to the length of the hair, apart from the one that I did at the end, and I used just 3 parts, and this is what I have left from the 3 parts. I'm still going to attach this to some part of the hair. I'll just find random places and place the remaining ones here. But this is how full 3 packs looks, and I've not even brushed it out yet. So if you're someone that likes extremely full hair, the 3 packs is going to be very full. I personally don't like any hair that is like excessively full. This is already full for me, so if I add the entire 5 packs, it's going to be too much for me, and I think I have like a small face. So if I do excessively full hair, it won't really look so nice on me like that. Okay, so I think I'm okay with the 3 packs. I'm just going to add the rest of the hair. You guys, I am done. I'm still going to like use edge control to lay my edges here. So I just want to show you guys what the hair is looking like. This style is so cute. This is miraculous. This is with my natural hair and just coils. This is so cute, honestly. And I've not brushed out the curls yet. Let me even try to brush it out right now. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it is brushed out dry and what the thing looks like when you wet the hair. So guys, this is what it's looking like brushed out. You can see that it's looking more fluffy. If I brush this side out as well, it's going to be so full. So you guys, this is just 3 packs. 3 packs. Just hold on, okay? I'm going to get my edges done and like come back and show you guys the final look.
Sabe que me funde con tu piquete. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Esos movimientos me tienen loco. Oh, oh, oh. Me gustaría tenerte de frente. Playa, arena, sol, calor, sentí tu sudor. Yo lo que quiero, playa, arena, sol, alcohol, contigo mejor. Sube el saoco, tú me tienes loco. Contigo me foco, cuando yo te toco. Todo quiero darte. Girl, I got you right here with my heart at. Yeah. Yo solo quiero amarte. Girl, I wanna love you, I don't want a heartache. Ya te puse en la lista de todos los deseos que tengo que cumplir. Si tuvieras como yo te veo, te juro que tú no me miras así. Vamos a olvidarnos del mundo, vámonos por ahí. Que nadie sepa de ti, que nadie sepa de mí, baby. Dime la verdad, que somos tú y yo. Si en verdad sentimos lo mismo los dos. Yo quiero navegar contigo bajo el sol. Ese cuerpecito está pidiendo calor. Sube esa oco. Oh, oh, oh. Sabe que me funde con tu piquete. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Esos movimientos me tienen loco. Oh, oh, oh. Me gustaría tenerte de frente. Playa, arena, sol, calor, sentí tu sudor.